We'll go for the trial balance. This is a specimen of a trial balance, format of the trial balance. These are so in the one side in the account sheet, you will write in the one side only. This is the debit side, this is the credit column, debit column, credit column. In the old textbook, this format can be seen in the page number 111, you can see. In the new textbook, you can see in the page number 85, you can see there. So here all the expenses, whatever the expenses and the assets, fixed assets, current asset will come in the debit side. See here, cash in hand, bank received, debitors, opening stock, plant and machinery, land and building. Land and building is a fixed asset. Furniture, fixed asset. Vehicle also fixed asset. Goodwill, investment, drawing, purchase return. Purchase return return inwards same that it will come in the debit side. Carriage inwards, carriage outwards, both will come in the debit side. Rent paid, all payment will come in the debit side. Interest paid, bad debts means the debts which won't come. So that also it's a loss for a business, that will come in the debit side. Insurance premium paid, general expenses paid, everything will come in the charges, everything will come in the debit side. So here what and all the sales, purchase, return, capital. From the sales, see, or it will come in the credit side. You have to write in the credit side. Purchase, return outwards same da. Capital, loan, creditors, bills payable, overdraft, rent received, all the received, earned will come in the credit side. Provision for bad debts also will come in the credit side. So capital, this and all will come. So usually all the expenses, all the payments, all the charges will come in the debit side. And what are the income received, earned, that and all will come in the credit side. So shall we continue with the exercise number 1. Okay. So this is a exercise number exercise 4 in that question number 1. It is in the new textbook. Old textbook page number 128, exercise 4 the question number 1 only it is there. See, these are using this one, you have to categorize it is come in the debit side or a credit side. So if it's both the side, it should be equal. If it's not equal means the balancing figure, you'll write in the balance brought down or carried down, you'll write balancing figure in the ledger, you'll write at the balance carried down, you'll write. Now in the trial balance, you write it as a suspense account, you'll write. So both the side, if it's equal means you'll write as a total. See, purchase where it will come, purchase will come in the debit side. Loan where it will come in the credit side. Debitors will come in the debit side. Stock will come in the credit side. Sales will come in the credit side. Creditors will come in the credit side. Cash will come in the debit side. Capital will come in the credit side. Stock will come in the debit side. So this and all will come in the debit side. Using this one, you have to divide and see that both the sides are equal. So shall we start? So we'll start with the number 1. So what it is there? Purchase. See, this is the debit column, this is the credit column. Right in the debit column 1 lakh. Next, number 2, what it is there? It is a bank loan. Bank loan will come in the credit side, as you have to write as a 75,000. Next, what it is there? Third one, debitors is there. Debitors will come in the debit side only. What is the amount there? 1,50,000 it is coming as. Next, fourth one, what is there? Stock it will come in the debit side as a 35,000. Next, what it is there? Sales will come in, always it is a income, always comes in the credit side as a 1,50,000. Next, sixth one, what it will come as a creditors. Creditors means it will come in the credit side only. What is the amount there? 50,000. Next, seventh one, what it is there? Capital you can see always it's a journal entry, you have remember, it will come in the credit side as a 50. It will come as a 1 lakh. Sorry, it is come as a 1 lakh. Next, cash it will come in the, it is a asset, it will come in the debit side, it is as a 90,000. So both the sides you add it. If you add in the both the side, it will come as a 3,75,000. 3,75,000 it will come. So straight to that you will write as a total. That's all first one.